How to find your Lomas transfer. So you're on your way to Cancun. Warm beaches, excellent food, and amazing hospitality await you. But before we get to the good stuff, we gotta get out of the airport. Once you land and exit the plane, you will follow the crowd and signs to passport control, where you can either wait in line for the standard person-assisted process, or you can use one of the passport control kiosks. The passport kiosks are quick and efficient, but they do have some rules. To use a kiosk, you must be staying in Mexico for less than 80 days, that your passport is issued from Mexico, Canada, or the United States, you are 18 years or older, you are traveling for tourism, and you are traveling without children. If you can answer yes to all 5 of these requirements, you are able to use the kiosk freely. Some tips for going through passport control. Stick together with your family while you move through the immigration hall. Put away your mobile devices. Remove any hats, headphones, and sunglasses. Remove your passport from any covers and open to the photo page. After you make it through, the next stop will be to pick up any checked luggage. Check the TV screens to see which carousel your flight's luggage will be on. Keep in mind the carousel can and often does change. Also take time to check the rows of luggage that have been removed from the carousel belt. Your luggage may be among them. Once you have reclaimed your luggage, you can proceed to the exit. There are random checks done here, and they often have canine patrols. If you are asked to step aside, please do so to have your luggage searched. Once you've made it through the glass doors, you'll enter the main terminal hall. Here you will see car rentals, tour operators, and the famous Shark Alley, where the timeshare reps will be waiting. These timeshare reps will do just about anything to garner your attention. They might ask who your transfer company is, what hotel you're staying at, or if you have any tours scheduled. Just remember that their goal is to sell you a timeshare. Simply smile, say no thank you or no gracias, and keep walking towards the outdoor exit. You've made it outside. Here you will look for your Lomas transfer. Every Lomas employee wears a pair of white pants, a teal shirt, and a white tie. They are often holding a sign with your family or group's name on it, and there are often several Lomas reps around that you can ask for help. They will guide you to the vehicle parking area, which can be very busy, so please be patient. They will load your luggage into the transfer vehicle and then transport you to your resort. As your trip comes to an end, you'll need to reconfirm your departure flight with Lomas and get your pickup time. You can do this in a variety of ways. Download and confirm through the Lomas app. Call them directly. Message with them on their website. Or stop by the tour operator desk at your resort. Lomas sets pickup times according to traffic and airport conditions, so you can trust their schedule. Safe travels! We hope you have an amazing trip.